Hey guys, this is Mara and welcome back to my Art Break Life. So of course, I was on Instagram, as I usually am, looking at different Instagram profiles of different artists and art supplies, all those things, and I came across a profile called Stationery Pal. And I've never seen them before, I've never ordered them from before, so I figured, let's give them a try. They had a lot of nice pens and things which as I'm more interested in when it comes to stationery, and so my box came today. Really nice box. So we're gonna get into this now. I'm gonna show you everything I ordered from Stationery Pal. So here's the box. It's so cute. I love how it looks very doodle-ish on the outside of this box, and so I haven't opened it yet, so we shall open this together. Ooh, look at that. There's some cute sticker here. It looks like the Sailor Moon ribbon, but it says Stationery, SP for Stationery Pal. And there's some confetti in here, which I'm
not a fan of.
Too much rubbish. So we'll just oh, I ripped it. Oh, sorry. Okay, so let's get into this box. So this I did not order. So this must be a little freebie they sent. This is super cute. This little fuzzy bear. So we'll put him on the side. And oh my god, all this rubbish. Okay, wait, I need to get rid of this rubbish. Hang on. Oh look, I think the bear has supposed to have a hat, I guess. Okay, so he does have a little hat that's really cute and it says love on it. And this looks like a little cute bell. Jingle, but this is another freebie because I did not order this. Okay, so I did order this. This is the dot liner glue. Yeah, I wanted to get a few of these so when I'm working in my journal, I can just, you know, use that to glue things in. So I wanted one of these, so that I did order. And here's another glue. More rubbish. Okay, so this is a little card here in the box. And oh, look. These are washi stickers, and oh my god, they're food stickers. Oh, how did they know food stickers are my weakness? I didn't order this, so this is a freebie they threw in here. That's pretty cool. Okay, and oh, here's another dot liner glue. So that's cool. I got 3 glue. Oh no, actually 4. I ordered 4 of them. Wow, look at all these things in here. So okay, let's start off with, I guess, the elephant in the room here. I wanted to get these Energel needle pens because I really love the Energel pens. And look at the pretty colors are on these bodies. This is like a little floral design, and this is like origami type patterns here. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness. I think I went overboard on the Energel pens, but I really love Energel needlepoint pens. Oh, here, there's a few more. Oh wow, I did order quite a bunch of these. Okay, so there's more of these Energel needlepoint pens. Here's more of that origami design. I thought this was so pretty. No, you don't need this many. Don't do this. But I just thought all the designs were so pretty, so I wanted to order them. So this is what I got. Here's a extra fine point fountain pen. So this is a, can't remember what this was. I think this is a glue stick type of thing. Yeah, it is. So it's like a little glue stick here. So you just twist it and it comes out, and it's in this perfect square so you can get up right to the corners of things. There's this glue stick that I ordered. The main reason why I jumped on the site was because I saw these Harry Potter fountain pens, and I know a fountain pen's a fountain pen's a fountain pen, but I wanted to give them a try. So there's the Hufflepuff, Slytherin, this is Ravenclaw, this is just the fountain pen, and I believe it's in an extra fine point, but we'll find out later on when I open this up. Okay, so this is an Academy watercolor paper pad. I ordered, oh here, I did order it. So I got the Gryffindor Harry Potter pen as well. Thought I'd just give that a try. Very cute. Then, let's see. Oh, so I got this sign pen. Look at the tip on this. It's so pretty, very flexible, but it writes really nice. And this color was really pretty and calling out to me, which is why I wanted to pick up this color, just in this one. And here is another glue. I don't know why I bought so many glues, but yep, this is another glue stick type, roller type glue stick. Okay, my stationery pal. You don't need all these glitter things, all right? Just you don't need it. Don't put them in there. Oh look, another Energel pen. This one is so pretty. It has these like pinky silver flowers on it in this green. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. I picked up these brush pens because they looked really interesting. I'm not sure on the brand, Future Color. So we'll give these a try here. These look really pretty and fun to use. And then here is just
another fountain pen.
I really like the extra fine points. So I saw this and I thought this was really interesting and I wanted to give it a try. Check this bottom one. Step out. Okay, so this is just a notepad here. I think this was a freebie because I did not order this, but this is kind of cool. It's not craft paper, it's just a regular off-white colored paper. Not super thick either, it's just a regular notepad. And then I saw these pens and I really wanted to try them. It's the MONAMI pens, and I did order this same brand from Amazon. So I ordered those in the pastel, but this is the gray color, or that gray mood. Really pretty colors. I mean, look at that blue-gray scheme. Very nice. And I figured this would be perfect for planner or stationery drawing. But yeah, that's everything in this box. I think I went a little overboard on the Energel pens. But let's try and swatch these guys out and see what they look like. I really like how these write, and these colors are just beautiful. They're very neutral and calming. I want to try to figure out how to draw with them because these colors seem to go very well together, and that neutral gray 8 just that has that pop of black in there. That's really nice. And this blue color is just gorgeous. I really like how these write. I like how they glide across the page. So I'm kind of excited to try and do something with these. Okay, to be honest, there's nothing special about the inks in the Energel pens. They're just Energel pens, but I ordered these because I really liked bodies of the pen. They're just so pretty, and I love writing with Energels anyway, so I figured, you know, I can always replace the ink with other, you know, refills, but these pen holders are just so beautiful. This is why I ordered these. So if you want to try an Energel pen, you don't need to get all these because it's just the same pen. It's just different outside. So, but yeah, that's the reason why I ordered all these. So yes, this color is the reason why I ordered this, because look how pretty that is. It's such a almost like a sakura pale pink. This color is just called pale pink, yeah, and it's just, I saw this color and I just wanted to give it a try, and I really like that color. These are just brush pens. The Future Color Write pens, they're very beautiful as far as their color pigment goes. The tip on these felt tip brush pens, they're not as soft as the MONAMI pens. They're a bit firmer. The tip is flexible, but not the entire nib of the pen. So yeah, they're nice. I think this would be good for lettering pens or like journaling and stuff like that, but I'm not sure how flexible they are, because the MONAMI pens, they actually have depth to the color where you can see some light spots and dark spots. This one is just like very bold and just all in one stroke. I guess I like the way the MONAMI pens write better than these, but these are still really nice pens, and I'm thinking that I'm going to enjoy using these as well. And now for the infamous Harry Potter fountain pens. I mean, they're just fountain pens. I just thought it was really cute and so pretty. I'm going to use the ink that already comes with it, that way just so we can test this out. So we'll push that in there. And it comes with a refillable one, I guess. Yeah. So you can just push that down and get your ink in there like that. That's pretty cool. We'll see how this one writes. Very nice. This is the blue Ravenclaw one. I mean, all it says is Ravenclaw on it, and it has a little Ravenclaw logo on the cap. That's pretty much it. Nothing else too special about it, but I do like the fact that it has a really fine point. Okay. And if you notice on the tip, when you buy this, it has like a little star on the tip, like 3 little stars. It's really cute. So the tip is pretty soft, so it does bounce a lot, which is good, but it doesn't seem to spread very far. It does write really nice. I do like it. Yeah, this is really nice. I do enjoy writing with this. So yeah, nothing super special about it. It just has the Harry Potter logo on it. It would be cool if it was like shaped or something different about it, but that's pretty much it. It just has the logo, Harry Potter, and the name of the house on it. So, and this one is Jinhad fountain pen. I was very curious about it because the tip looked really interesting. So, oh, okay. It has a refillable, okay, so we got it all loaded up. It just comes out very nice. This tip is quite firm. And it's slightly thicker than the Harry Potter one. So it looks thin, but it does come out pretty thick when you write with it. It's a little bit more responsive than the Harry Potter one. So this one writes really well. I'm very impressed by this one. It has a nice metal case. It's very, it's heavy. It's not super heavy, but it's heavy weighted. So you feel like you're holding a solid pen here compared to some of the other plastic ones. But yeah, this is a nice pen. So it's just a standard plastic pen. I mean, a plastic bodied pen, nothing special. My one complaint about this pen is that it's hard to get the ink on. Oh, okay. So this is the kind that actually shows you what it looks like inside, which bugs me. I don't like that. So, I mean, I guess it's all right. You can see what color ink you have. Okay, it writes just like the Harry Potter pen. It's nothing different, the response time anyway. I feel the Jinhad one kind of responded faster to the writing, but this is still a really nice pen to write with. And I won't open these up because they're all the same pen, but I'll just hang on to these for when I want to switch it up. So I got Gryffindor, Slytherin, and Hufflepuff here. But yeah, so that is the swatching of all the pens I got in this stationery pal haul. Not sure what I'm going to do with it. I might just leave it at this because I only use these pens when I'm doing my journals and just writing stuff. So it's not like I'm drawing or anything, but I love the color of this pink, pale pink sign pen. So I do recommend this pen. It writes really well. It does very nice lettering. So this is a really nice pen here. Of course, the Energel pens. Love these little housings on here. It's so pretty. But I just love writing with Energel pens. That's why I got them. And then, yeah, this MONAMI pen. I love the way it writes. The Future Color pens are just basic. There's nothing super special about it, but the colors are really pretty. I would probably rather get the MONAMI pens more than anything. And then, yeah, the fountain pens, they're always fun to have, you know, in your collection. I do... Out of all the ones I got, I think I like the Jinhad one. It just responds better. The ink inside is a little different, so it kind of bleeds on this type of paper. But yeah, the response time with that pen was a lot better than these two. But these still wrote pretty nice too. So it just depends on like how you like writing with your pens. But they are the same extra fine tip. I do like the fact that this tip is thinner, these two, than this one, but the response time on that one was really nice when it came to actually writing and the ink flowing. So yeah. And besides that, I'm not going to swatch out these stickers because they're just too cute. But look at all these. Let me just open it up. Look at that, how cute that is. And they're washi stickers, so they're very thin, so they go really well in planners. I mean, oh, that is so pretty. Look at that ice cream. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is so pretty. Like you could just eat them. They're so realistic looking. Oh my god, they're so pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. Hopefully one day I can paint like this, but yeah, these are really pretty stickers. I'm definitely going to be using these in some of my journal spreads or even in my planner. I just like food stickers. They're just so cute. That is my stationery pal haul. I will try this watercolor pad in the future when I do probably a watercolor on its own. I think in my head I thought I ordered the bigger one, but this is only 7" by 5" wide paper, so not sure what I'm gonna draw on here because I tend to need slightly larger paper to draw on because I'm not that good where I can draw really small. So yeah, I'm kind of excited to try this paper here, and yeah, that is it. And this art break is done. Bye guys!